Welcome students in accountancy class. I am teaching you partnership accounts and the topic is going on numerical topics, that is guarantee and past adjustment. Both the topics are already taught, the concept and even the numerical. Guarantee of profit and past adjustments. I have taken one question from your book, question number 20, book now both and page number 44. You can take out the book and see the question. Already detail is given, question number 20, book is now both, page number 44. And the summary of the question I have written that ABS is written, it is Amit, it is Babita and it is Suresh. They are partners and they share profit and losses in the ratio of 2:2:1. This is the profit and loss sharing ratio. And guaranteed amount for S means Suresh. It is written here that is rupees 10,000, that he will not receive less than 10,000 in any year in any condition. And the second condition is given, deficiency on guaranteed amount of S means Suresh will be made by B means Babita. Profits for 2 years that is given in the question. Profit of 1 year is taught. In this question, 2 years profits are given. First is 31st December 2005, rupees 40,000. And second is 31st December 2006, rupees 60,000. You can read the complete question. And you are instructed to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. My dear, already I have prepared the profit and loss appropriation account pro forma here, and I have shown the first year profit by profit brought down in the credit side, the first year profit for the year ended 31st December 2005, and this profit will be distributed in their agreed ratio. This is the agreed ratio. So first the 40,000 will be distributed to the partners by partners capital account. A means Amit, B means Babita and S means Suresh. So the distribution is already shown here. Profit distribution year 2005. That is in the ratio, agreed ratio is 2:2:1. The total of the ratio is called 5. That is why A will get 2 by 5 of 40,000, that is 16,000. B will get 2 by 5 of 40,000, that is 16,000. And Suresh will get 1 by 5 of 40,000, that is rupees 8,000. So these three amounts I am showing in the appropriation account. A, in the agreed ratio, A will get rupees 16,000, B will get 16,000 and C will get rupees 8,000 in the agreed ratio. But in the question it is clear instruction that the deficiency on guaranteed amount of S will be made by B, means the guaranteed amount is written rupees 10,000. This is the guaranteed amount for Suresh and he has received rupees 8,000. So guaranteed amount is equal to 10,000 and the share of S is rupees 8,000 and 2,000 is deficiency. So that will be met by Babita as it is clearly written. minus, so from share of Babita 2000 will be subtracted and that will be added with the share of Suresh. So now Babita will get rupees 14,000 as share of profit and Suresh will get rupees 10,000 which is the guaranteed amount and it is already 16,000. So my dear student, this is the distribution of rupees 40,000. This is the profit and loss appropriation account for year ended 31st December 2005. Now, the second year, that is for the year ended profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st December 2006. The profit is shown 60,000 as it is given in the question. So, the amount, the profit will be distributed to by part, sorry. Very sorry. Two. It is blunder, my dear. Two partners capital account. 60,000 will be distributed. And A means Amit, B means Babita, and S means Suresh. And this will be distributed in the ratio of, very simply here I can explain, 2006. A will get 60,000 into 2 by 5. You can calculate, my dear. 5 12 ja and 12 2 ja. 12 2 ja 24. B will also get the same amount. 60,000 into 2 by 5 is equal to 24,000. And S will get 60,000 into 1 by 5 is equal to 12,000. I will show the amount here. A will get 24,000. B will get 24,000. They are equal partners. And S will get 12,000. See, my dear, A is getting 24,000, B is getting 24,000, S is getting 12,000. That is greater than the guaranteed amount 10,000. Guaranteed amount is 10,000 and in year 2006 he has received 12,000. That is more than the guaranteed amount. That is why there is no need of any adjustment. So this is the explanation of the question number 20 in the page number 44 of the novel book. I will explain another question of past adjustment in the just next video. So thank you very much, my dear. Have a nice day. We will continue.